Welcome to my YouTube channel to be there. Drachenburg Castle looks like a spectacular mixture of a knight's castle and a pastry shop. The building, which was only completed in 1884 in the historicist style, has been a monument to the monument since 1986 and now functions as a museum in the Wilhelminian style. What prompted the son of a Bonn innkeeper to build such a luxurious palace for 1.8 million gold marks, Neo-Early Gothic on the outside, Neo-Renaissance on the inside? Especially because stock market analyst and later Suez Canal financier Stephan Sarter lived in Paris and, after all, never lived himself in his ambitious mix of villa, castle and palace. The property has gone through a complicated history, including a complete decline in the 1970s. But in the end, an eccentric textile merchant purchased the building and renovated it until the castle was finally listed as a historical monument in 1986 and the North Rhine-Westphalia Foundation meticulously restored the castle. Today, Drachenburg Castle on the Drachenfels on the banks of the Rhine near Königswinter attracts visitors from all over the world and is a recognized Wilhelminian-style museum. However, visiting Drachenburg is not so easy. It is located in a nature reserve. If you want to see Drachenburg Castle, you can walk from the Drachenfelsbahn station in the valley on the so-called Eselsweg past the Nibelungenhall to the castle gate, in general, a nice little hike that lasts about 30 minutes. Or another option, you take the historic Drachenfelsbahn road directly to the castle gates. However, reservations are not possible and the train is usually very crowded. Don't forget to like and thank you for your subscription. Many amazing places are waiting for you.